The No Boundaries 20.5 with Beast Mode package, now at Sutton RV. The chef will have an easy time preparing meals in the full equipped front kitchen. Enjoy the large kitchen sink with cup washer and air fryer microwave. Enjoy the company sitting at the breakfast bar on one of the 2 bar stools. This trailer is packed with massive storage all throughout, so you'll have room for all your gear and then some. Plenty room for food in this large refrigerator. The theater seating is so comfy, you could kick back and read the morning paper in it. The walk-through bathroom has everything you need to freshen up. Shower, toilet, sink, all in a smart layout that doesn't waste space. And the best part? It flows right into the rear private bedroom. The rear bedroom has a queen bed, a wardrobe, and a large window to let in some natural lighting. Now at Sutton RV.
Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.